Good morning everyone. This is G. Renuka, CRT English from KGBV Kotturu. Hello my dear children. Today we are going to discuss a poem from our English textbook. It is from Unit 2 B Reading and its title is What is a Player? Before go through the poem, we have to know about the poetess. Jessica Taylor was born in Louisiana. She is a young poetess. She wrote many poems. She has developed her love for music and poetry at an early age. Most of her poems have focused on emotional issues with an emotional touch. Loneliness, I miss you, I hate, and I am worried are some of her popular poems. She wrote many poems, but Loneliness, I miss you, I am worried are most of her popular writings in her career. Students, we have to know the glossary. Coming to the glossary, first one is give up. Give up is a phrasal verb. It means leave. Second one, whine. It is a verb. It means complain. Whine means complain. Pondering. Thinking about something a period of time. Contemplating. Considering about. Chicken out. It is also a phrasal verb. It means to decide not to do something because of fear. Children, what is the title of our poem? The title is What is a Player? In the present poem, the title of the poem is a question. How it looks like? It's a question. And the poem itself, it is the answer for it. The poetess lists out the qualities of a true player in each line. We can see the answer in every line of this poem, in every stanza of this poem. You can see the answer to this question, what is a player? Now students, I will read the poem and you please open your textbooks and watch it. What is a player? A player is one who doesn't give up at the sight of defeat, but learns from their mistakes and puts them beneath. A player is one who doesn't give up at the sound of the buzzer, always giving what they have from one side of the court to the other. A player is one who doesn't whine about their playtime, because a player knows it's an unacceptable crime. A player is one who practices game speed, always keeping in mind that their shots are not guaranteed. A player is one who doesn't settle for anything less, even knowing that they are not the best. They will be the ones you see outside practicing day or night, rain or shine. They are the ones running on hurt ankles, admitting they are fine. A player is one who has strong, sensible mind, never pondering about failing, only contemplating prevailing. A player is one who doesn't chicken out, who wants to be in the game when everything counts. Now that is a true player. Now let's begin the poem. A player is one who doesn't give up at the sight of defeat. Children, what is the meaning of give up? Give up means leave. It is a phrasal verb. It means leave. A player is one who doesn't give up or leave at the sight of defeat. When he loses in a competition or contest, he doesn't give up. He doesn't lose his confidence. Children, according to the poetess, the first important quality of a true player is he should try till the end, though he knows that he is going to lose. Now children, come to the second line. but learns from their mistakes but puts them beneath. This is the line we have to know, we have to learn. It will be useful in our life also. Come, though he makes mistakes, he learns from the past experiences and overcome them the next time. We have to learn everything, we have to learn lessons from our mistakes, what we have done while playing a game. Third line of the first stanza is, a player is one who doesn't give up at the sound of the buzzer. A true player should not end up at the sound of the buzzer and always try to give what they have, what he has. Fourth line of the first stanza is, always giving what they have from one side of the court to the other. It means a player should do hard work and put 100% effort to win and face the opponent who is there another court. Coming to the second stanza, a player is one who doesn't whine about their playtime because a player knows it's an unacceptable crime. What is a crime? Whine about their playtime. A true player, if he or she is a true player, never complains that he did not enough for player, as it is well known that doing so is a crime which is not acceptable while playing a game. A player is one who practices game speed. Every game has a particular time period. We can see every game has a particular time period. So, a true player should always practice his game speed so that he can play the game within the game time. Always keeping in mind that their shots are not guaranteed. We may not give guarantee to everything in the playtime. So, a true player always remember that all the shots and trials which they are playing in a game are not successful. He should be able to accept the failures and success equally because success and failures are the two sides of the same coin. So, a player have to take those equally. A player is one who doesn't settle for anything less, even knowing that they are not the best. Though he knows that he is not the best, we have to know that we may not the best. He should not settle for anything less than the victory. They will be the ones you see outside practicing day or night, rain or shine. They will be the ones you see outside practicing. They are practicing outside day or night, rain or shine. The true player, if he or she is a true player, are always seen practicing their game. He doesn't bother about the time, whether it is a day or night. Even if it rains or sunshine, he keeps playing. He keeps practicing game. They will be the ones running on hurt ankles, admitting they are fine. They are admitting that they are fine. The true player keep on trying and practicing though their ankles get hurt. They will say that they are all right because they take injuries very light, very common. Player is one who has strong sensible mind. A true player is one whose mind is strong and sensible to take wise decisions and dare steps to play a game. Never pondering about failing, only contemplating prevailing. A player never think about losing the game. They just consider about the present game and how to play it. A player is one who doesn't chicken out. A true player is the person who will never decide to be idle because of fear or lack of confidence. Who wants to be in the game when everything counts? Now that is a true player. If he or she is a true player, if he or she wants to be a true player, he will never give up and never leave the game, but will stay in the game till the end, as he knows that everything is important from beginning to ending. And these are the qualities of a true player. If you want to be a true player, you have to follow all these qualities in our poem What is a Player. Poetess described every quality in the poem. Children, we have discussed each line of the poem, and now we shall go through the summary of this poem What is a Player. According to the poetess, a true player should not give up at the sight of defeat. He should learn from his past mistakes and correct himself and also forget them. A true player should not give up at the sound of the buzzer and always try to give what he has. He should not complain about the playtime, as he knows that it is an unacceptable crime. He should always give what he has from one side of the court to the other. Though he knows he is not the best, he should not settle for anything less than winning. He should practice regularly. He should practice and any circumstances, that is in the day or night or in the rain or sunlight. He should always keep in mind that his shots are not guaranteed. He should remember that success and failures are common in games and sports. Every game has its certain speed, so he should practice accordingly. He should not complain about the playtime. He should be ready to play at any time and any conditions. Though he practices vigorously and gets hurt, he should admit that he is fine. He should take the injuries light. He should have a strong and sensible mind. He should not think about the failures of the past and focus only on the present game. The true player is the one who is never afraid of anything. He should not be disturbed and lose confidence. A player who wants to be in the game should not chicken out at any time. We go through the glossary, poem, and summary also. Okay, we have discussed the qualities of a true player. We have many sports personalities, but today we will know about the sports personality from Andhra Pradesh. Do you know who she is from Andhra Pradesh? She is none other than Karnam Malleshwari. She was born in a Karnam family in Osavanipeta near Amdalavalsa in Srikakulam district and in Andhra Pradesh. She has 4 sisters and all well trained in weightlifting. She started her career when she was 12 and was trained under coach Neelam Setti Appanna. She got many awards like Rajiv Khel Ratna Award in 1999, Arjun Award in 1994, Padma Shri in 1999. Malleshwari created history at Sydney Olympics in 2000 by lifting 110 kilograms and 130 kilograms in the snatch and clean and jerk categories. She won the bronze medal and became the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal. She is also the first and only Indian woman weightlifter to win an Olympic medal. In this year 2021, the Delhi government appointed her as the first Vice Chancellor of Delhi Sports University. Children, you came to know the true player from Andhra Pradesh. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.